Hi everyone, and in this video I'll be fixing my C5 Corvette LED headlight that will not come on. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about building a kit car, Corvettes, and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share with others on social media. So when I was going to pick up my C5 from the original owner, he mentioned that the headlight motor, which is the motor that makes the light pop up and down, was burnt out. And he was fixing it as we speak, and I could pick up the car later that day. When I was driving it home, I noticed that the headlight went up and down, but the actual light was not coming on. As you can imagine, this became priority one to get this going for safety reasons. And also, if I had to take it back to have him work on it, I didn't want to wait too long either. So I'm not too familiar with LED headlamp transplants, but this aftermarket system looks like it just plugs into the main original harness. It has a brain and it has a heat sink, and somewhere below the light is the harness, and I'm going to have to try to get my hand in there to see if they just accidentally did not hook something back up or it is reversed. I'm not sure since the headlight was working when I test drove the car. If you turn the headlights on and then turn it back to parking, the motors will stay in the upright position. But I still can't get my hand back there, so I'll have to take the headlight cowl off. 2 screws are on one side and 1 on the other. Now, even though I removed all the screws, I was still having an issue getting this cowl off, until I realized that there's a clip in the front. Think of it like a paper clip that the paper fits into. So once you get the screws out, you have to slide the top front towards you and then tilt it back to get off the headlamp. There was no way for me to film getting my hands in there, and I was worried about the light retracting back, so definitely pull the power to the light so you do not get your hand stuck or cut. I kept testing different things, and it's really hard to take the wire clip apart with one hand. There was no way for me to get 2 hands in there. I have pretty big hands. But after screwing around for a long time, I finally was able to pry apart the wire connector and flip it around, and bingo, that was the issue. They put everything back together, not noticing the juncture was in backwards. In fact, most of these wire clips only go in one way, so I'm surprised you could even put this in backwards. Now the lights go up and down and on as they should. Till next time, please hit the subscribe and notification buttons, and have a great day.